Good morning, friends. This is Triyarsha from Crazy Money with Tree, and today is 25th of November. And let's see what's happening in the market, what happened yesterday, and what is the repercussion of that for today, and what happened in the US market, what is the impact on it for the Indian markets. So, let's understand everything in detail. So, before doing that, if you're not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and like this video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. So let's get started, guys. What happened yesterday? I was telling you better not do anything, but if you were a part of my Telegram channel, I also gave a signal around 12 o'clock saying that market from here may move higher, better get started with your position. So I had actually informed about this because there was a big movement which happened, which signaled us saying that market is ready for the next big move. So guys, what is happening is 13,000 was an important critical resistance in the option chain, and looks like that is no longer a resistance right now. And for bank nifty, which was having a important resistance around 29,800 range, now almost most of it was breached yesterday, and probably we will get started with a good gap up opening. Look at how actually Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything has actually moved up almost 1.5 to 2% yesterday, and we have hit historical highs. All the indices have made new highs except Nasdaq. All the other indices have made altogether new high, and the closing is at the new highs. And even if you look at the even all the European markets, all of them have actually closed another 1 to 2% up, which is phenomenal. This will give us a big boost. Looking at the futures are already showing us probably we will have a gap of almost around 100 points, so which is almost around 1 or 2% up. We may actually getting started, so it's a big start for us. And the futures are still actually on its run, and the way actually the US market is right now is going to be in an extremely bullish kind of a situation. And this is happening not only in the US market, it is actually globally everywhere. All the indices have come to extremely bullish kind of a situation. I told you earlier yesterday about Reliance and banks. Both of them have actually taken support and started showing a positive momentum. So it's not one stock, almost everything else looks like every other stock is going to rally for the next few days. And momentum is extremely positive, sentiments are extremely positive. The whole situation is more to do with the vaccine, and the vaccines, more and more vaccines are actually showing positive results. And looking at the things what is going to happen, a lot of places probably vaccine will become mandatory in the coming days. Pharmaceutical companies are going to give us extremely bullish kind of a result, so this is ideal time for us to look for investing in good pharma companies, and things can do phenomenally well in these pharma companies. So this is the market is looking extremely bullish, and from here market may head all together to a brand new highs, and it may actually continue to move higher. And if you look at what happened in gold and silver, I was telling you it may actually go down, especially gold and silver, and that happened exactly the same way. Now we are at a important support. Probably here we may expect some amount of bounce back for gold and silver. After that, we will see how actually things are going to go. Right now, probably gold silver may be more of a sideways kind of a movement, and probably it may head back towards the all-time highs again. There is a probability, so it will be more of a sideways kind of a movement according to me until a new trend is actually emerged. I don't expect any extraordinary situation in gold silver, but sideways movement can still continue. um, and in crude oil, it has already hit a very critical level. I don't expect, there's not much headroom for it to go further high. So there could be more sideways to negative kind of thing in case of crude oil. Gold and silver may be sideways to positive at this price point. Is that is what I can actually see at this point of time. And the stock market can continue its momentum. It may actually move, Nifty may move towards 13,500 kind of level in the coming days. Bank Nifty may try to hit its all-time high of 32,000 change. And if we look at Sensex probably now is already crossing the 45,000 mark, and probably it may head towards the 50,000 mark also soon. Things are going to show us historical kind of moments in the coming days. But at the same time, after we see this big rally, it is better for us to book profits and move out of the market, because right now markets have become highly irrational. The kind of movement is so huge, even with actually nothing great happening for the economy. The movement has been extremely strong, more because of a lot of excess liquidity which is happening. So now reality will set in the market sooner or later. I'm not expecting any extraordinary corrections, but definitely there will be some amount of retracements which is going to happen in the market. So for the time being, market is actually going to go up. It's better to stay with the market, continue to ride on to the market. As long as it is going to go up, continue to ride on that, and later it is better for us to book profits and hold on. Then you will get any, probably the profit booking can set in probably at the higher levels. As I said, somewhere around 13,500 levels, probably the profit booking can get started. But uh, sooner or later after that, I see at least a decent correction happening. But not expecting any extraordinary corrections, because the market is extremely bullish, and stimulus is still on the way. Now after the stimulus and all coming into the place, the kind of liquidity which is going to come into the market is going to be extraordinarily much more higher, and that will drive the market, probably for the next 1 or 2 years. Market is going to stay extremely bullish from here onwards. So overall market looks very strong. Don't try to get into any kind of shorting at this stage. Any of the shorts are going to hit very badly, because short covering rally can be expected either today or tomorrow. Tomorrow is anyway the last day of expiry for futures and options. So we may expect some amount of, good amount of short covering rally also coming, taking the markets to altogether new highs. So looking at the situation, market looks quite strong, and it's better for you to uh, look at actually taking the long positions and holding on to that. Taking a long positions now after the opening doesn't make any sense, because already market has moved up quite a lot. So you may have to wait for market to settle down, and probably there will be an opportunity for you to get in. But overall, whatever it is, shorting is still not advised. Don't try to short, and you will get actually burnt out very much, because the momentum, sentiment, everything is extremely bullish at this stage. Guys, if you have liked the information which I am sharing with you, please like this video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe bell icon, so that you will get all the latest notifications. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great and profitable day.